Have you ever picked up a rock and wondered how it got there? How long has it been sitting there, and what stories could it tell if it could speak? The Earth's surface is like a giant puzzle, covered in different types of rocks. Each piece of this puzzle has its own unique story. These rocks are clues to the Earth's history. They are like pages in a book, waiting to be read and understood. They tell stories of fiery volcanoes, ancient oceans, and incredible forces that shape our planet. From the violent eruptions that spew molten rock to the gentle lapping of ancient seas, each rock has a tale to tell. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of rocks. We'll uncover the secrets hidden within these natural wonders. Rocks come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are tiny pebbles, while others are massive boulders. Some are smooth and shiny, reflecting light like a mirror, while others are rough and jagged, with sharp edges that tell of their tumultuous past. But did you know that all rocks are made up of minerals? These tiny building blocks come together in various ways to form the rocks we see. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. They are like the ingredients in a recipe, each contributing to the final product. They give rocks their unique properties. Some minerals make rocks hard and durable, while others make them soft and crumbly. There are three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Each type has a unique formation process and distinct characteristics. Each type forms in a different way and has its own special characteristics. Igneous rocks form from cooled lava or magma, sedimentary rocks from layers of sediment, and metamorphic rocks from intense heat and pressure. Get ready to become a rock detective as we uncover the secrets of these amazing formations. We'll learn how to identify different rocks and understand the stories they tell about our planet's past. Imagine a volcano erupting with fiery molten rock. This molten rock is called magma when it's underground, and lava when it erupts onto the surface. Igneous rocks are formed when magma or lava cools and solidifies. The word igneous actually comes from the Latin word for fire. Igneous rocks are like the Earth's fiery breath, frozen in time. As magma or lava cools, its minerals crystallize and form solid rock. One example of an igneous rock is granite. Granite is a hard, durable rock often used in buildings and countertops. If you look closely at granite, you can see the different minerals that make it up, like quartz, feldspar, and mica. Another example is basalt. Basalt is a dark-colored rock that forms when lava cools quickly. It's the most common rock type on Earth's surface. Next time you see a rock, imagine its fiery past and how it formed from the heart of the Earth. Have you ever been to a beach or a river and noticed layers of sand or mud? Sedimentary rocks form over millions of years from the accumulation of sediments. These sediments can be bits of other rocks, shells, or even the remains of plants and animals. Over time, these sediments are compacted and cemented together by minerals dissolved in water. Imagine a giant sandwich with layers of different ingredients pressed together. That's kind of how sedimentary rocks form. A closer look at sedimentary rocks. Sandstone is a great example of a sedimentary rock. It forms from grains of sand that have been cemented together. You can often see the individual sand grains in sandstone, giving it a rough texture. Another example is limestone, which forms from the accumulation of shells and skeletons of marine organisms. Limestone is used to make cement and is an important building material. Sedimentary rocks are like time capsules, preserving clues about the Earth's past environments. Metamorphic rocks change artists. The word metamorphic means change in form. Metamorphic rocks are formed when existing rocks are changed by heat, pressure, or chemical reactions. Imagine a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. That's kind of like what happens to rocks during metamorphism. These changes can occur deep within the Earth's crust or where tectonic plates collide. The heat and pressure transform the minerals in the original rock, creating a new type of rock with different properties. A closer look at metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are fascinating because they tell a story of transformation deep within the Earth. Marble is a beautiful example of a metamorphic rock. Its elegance and variety make it a popular choice for sculptures and buildings. It forms from limestone that has been subjected to intense heat and pressure over millions of years. The heat and pressure cause the limestone to recrystallize, giving marble its characteristic swirls and veins. These intricate patterns are a result of minerals realigning during the transformation. Another example is slate, which forms from shale. This transformation also involves heat and pressure, but at lower levels compared to marble. Slate is a fine-grained rock that easily splits into thin layers. This property makes it highly useful in various applications. It's often used for roofing tiles and blackboards, thanks to its durability and ease of splitting. Metamorphic rocks show us how powerful forces within the Earth can transform even the hardest materials. They are a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet, revealing the incredible processes that shape the world beneath our feet. The rock cycle, a never-ending story. This fascinating process is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. The amazing thing about rocks is that they're not static. They're constantly changing. Over time, they undergo incredible transformations that shape the very surface of the Earth. The rock cycle is a continuous process that describes how rocks transform from one type to another over millions of years. This cycle is driven by various geological forces such as heat, pressure, and erosion. Igneous rocks, which form from cooled magma or lava, can be weathered and eroded into tiny particles called sediments, which can then accumulate and compact over time to form sedimentary rocks. These rocks often have distinct layers and can contain fossils. Sedimentary and igneous rocks can be buried deep within the Earth's crust, where they are subjected to intense heat and pressure, transforming them into metamorphic rocks. This transformation alters their mineral composition and structure, and the cycle continues, endlessly reshaping the Earth's surface. Now that you know about the different types of rocks and the rock cycle, you can appreciate the complexity and beauty of these natural processes. Why not go on a rock hunt? It's a fun and educational activity for all ages. Collect some rocks from your backyard or a local park. Each rock you find is a piece of Earth's history. Observe their color, texture, and any other interesting features. Notice how each rock is unique in its own way. Can you identify what types of rocks they are based on what you've learned? Use your knowledge to classify them as igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. Remember, every rock has a story to tell. Each one is a chapter in the never-ending story of our planet's geological history.